woke up with this amazing view.
Edge of the world, right to your doorstep home. Anywhere you wanna go.
Good morning. Today is the day 2 for Salkantay Trek, and we will be actually climbing Salkantay Mountain today. And last night was really rough. Didn't get much of a sleep. Just slept for a couple of hours because it got really cold last night, and we was just tossing around. And today is the longest day for us because we will be hiking 22 kilometers, which is 10 hours of hiking, and we will be reaching altitude about 17,500 above the sea level. So let's see how it goes.
Show you my world. Outrun the dark, keep our eyes open. Mountains we cross, sail every ocean. Oh, anywhere you wanna go. I'll show you my world. Oh, show you my world. Oh, show you my world. Show you the world, darling. Let's leave it all behind.
So I have finally made it to Salkantay Pass, and it wasn't easy, but I'm glad I made it. And look at the view, it's so worth it. That's the Salkantay Pass, and we have so many people here. Oh my god, this was definitely worth it.
Show you my world. We're holding on through all the years.
Mountains. 4 main mountains. Salkantay is the second main mountain. You know how high is the top? 6,250 above sea level. The fifth main mountain is Soraypampa, Pumasillo, and Ausangar. Remember, in the Cusco we had 4 main mountains. Yeah? Okay, everybody, todos miramos a la montaña. Repeat after me, my friend. Sulpaiki Apu Salkantay.
Sulpaiki Apu Salkantay.
And then, sheet tight, my friends, your blues. Again, Sulpaiki sa Apu Salkantay.
Soraypampa Apu Salkantay.
Now you say, Sulpaiki Apu Pumasillo.
Sulpaiki Pumasillo.
What you do, my friend? This is my friends. Jump to grupo. Sulpaiki Pachamama Sting. Sulpaiki es sexy glamas. More para Julio, más para Julio. Salud.
Salud.
Okay.
Tell me how the tables turned, how I've grown from lessons learned. Oh, I'll keep my faith in you. Even on my darkest days, I know that you will never change. Oh, I will love you the same. Safe for all my life, and you will have my heart for all the time. Even on your darkest days, you know that I will never change. Oh, I will love you the same.
Just arrived like 10 minutes ago, and it was a really tiring day, we did about 22 kilometers of hiking and finally reached our hostel. So today we will be getting bed so we can get some good sleep, because last night we didn't get sleep at all. Maybe we just slept for 2-3 hours. So right now we are just gonna have some dinner and chill and go back to bed. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.
change.
I know.
Oh,